What happens when you eat eggs every day? Have you heard of the egg diet? It involves consuming eggs regularly as a way to boost your health. Eggs are a great source of protein, with each egg containing only 75 calories, 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and 1.6 grams of saturated fat, as well as iron and other essential vitamins and minerals. Eating eggs can provide several health benefits, including contributing to healthy brain development and bone health. In fact, consuming eggs during pregnancy can help with a baby's brain development due to the high-choline content in the yolks. If you're not already incorporating eggs into your diet, you should consider doing so. Keep reading to discover the 6 things that can happen to your body when you eat eggs. To receive more daily health tips like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for our new videos. 6. Boost your weight loss. Are you aware that consuming eggs can aid in weight loss? This may come as a surprise to some, as eggs are often deemed unhealthy and fattening. However, a study conducted by the Rochester Center of Obesity Research revealed that consuming eggs for breakfast can limit calorie intake by over 400 calories throughout the day. The study found that by simply consuming eggs for breakfast, one can lose up to 3 pounds per month. The reason behind this is that eggs can curb appetite, thus reducing unnecessary cravings and preventing the consumption of snacks and unhealthy foods. Adding eggs to your diet can help with weight loss, so give it a try and see the results for yourself. 5. Help your body prevent breast cancer. Harvard University conducted research that suggests consuming eggs during adolescence may aid in preventing breast cancer. Additionally, researchers at the University of North Carolina found that choline, which is present in eggs, can reduce the risk of breast cancer by 24%. The daily intake recommendation for choline is 550 mg for men and 425 mg for women. A single egg contains 125.5 mg of choline, which means that consuming 2 eggs can contribute significantly to your daily intake. Making changes to your diet, such as incorporating eggs, can improve your overall health and potentially reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast cancer. It's important to note, however, that eggs are not a guaranteed way to prevent cancer, and it's always advisable to consult with a medical professional for information on cancer prevention. If you're interested in learning about maintaining a healthy lifestyle, stay tuned until the end for more egg-related health tips. 4. Reduce stress and anxiety. In 2004, a study was published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, which concluded that adequate lysine intake can reduce stress and anxiety levels. The researchers suggested that lysine modulates serotonin in the nervous system. Eggs are a great source of lysine, and consuming them can help manage stress and anxiety levels. Stress and anxiety can significantly impact our diet and weight. When people are stressed, they tend to either eat more or less, leading to unhealthy weight gain or loss, both of which can be detrimental to our health. Additionally, stress and anxiety can affect sleep patterns. Thus, incorporating more eggs into your diet can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. 3. Protect your eyes. Eggs contain 2 types of antioxidants, namely lutein and zeaxanthin, both of which have protective effects on your eyes. These antioxidants are primarily found in the yolk of the egg. Lutein and zeaxanthin help reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition observed that individuals who consumed 1.3 egg yolks per day for nearly 5 weeks experienced a significant increase in their blood levels of zeaxanthin by 114 to 142% and lutein by 28 to 50%. 2. Lower inflammation. Dietary phospholipids are compounds present in eggs that have significant effects on inflammation, as indicated by various studies. A recent publication in the journal Nutrients suggested that there is a correlation between egg phospholipid and choline intake and the reduction of inflammation. By reducing inflammation, the risk of cardiovascular disease is lowered, according to Paul M. Ridker, the director of the Center for Cardiovascular Disease Prevention at Harvard-affiliated Brigham and Women's Hospital. 1. Protects your liver. Eggs are a rich source of choline, a compound that has been linked to various health benefits. In fact, a review published in the journal Advances in Nutrition suggests that choline deficiency can lead to the buildup of hepatic lipids, which may cause non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. However, a study found in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that women who consume high-choline diets have a lower risk of developing this disease. Eggs also contain dietary phospholipids, which have been shown to have a significant effect on inflammation. A recent study published in the journal Nutrients suggests that consuming egg phospholipids and choline can help lower inflammation in the body, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Additionally, eggs contain cholesterol, a crucial component of cell membranes, and the liver produces large amounts of it daily. Consuming eggs reduces the liver's need to produce as much cholesterol, which is responsible for making hormones like testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol. Although studies suggest that consuming 1 to 3 eggs a day is safe for most people, there is no evidence to support consuming more than 3 a day or 21 a week. However, there are different types of eggs, and those richer in omega-3 or from hens raised on pasture may offer additional nutritional benefits. Ultimately, eggs are an excellent addition to any healthy diet, with numerous health benefits such as fighting iron deficiency, protecting eyesight, and aiding in healthy weight gain. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.